me, yeah. Come and get it, baby. I don't know what I'm playing. Wait. Oh my god. Over my bed, they do like rocking you. It's so good. When you're lonely, oh, I wonder if I pay your mind. If me for love you, I know nobody can satisfy like me. So come down, please, please. I was just busy playing nonsense. I'm sorry you guys had to hear that, but I really like that song. I can't wait for my music teacher to come so we can score that song together. I think I'll make that video. Hopefully he'll be free because these days he's too busy and that's annoying. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If today's your first time stopping by, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. I don't know if you guys have noticed, I actually like wearing mesh tops. That's like my favorite. I don't like things holding my body. I like to breathe even while I'm all dressed. Anyways, today's video is just, it's a life update. I have not really been feeling my best. This year has just been too much. I mean, every day, like, I felt so many emotions that I can't explain. You know, starting from the way the year has been going with the pandemic, and like, guys, in case you guys are hearing any noise, please, I can't control it. My neighbors didn't go to church today, so I just have to deal with it, so please bear with me. Like I was saying, this year has just been too much. This is more like a life update, seriously, because I haven't really posted a video in a while. I've not really been feeling motivated to film anything. It's not even just about YouTube. Like, I've not really been feeling motivated within myself to even do anything, because most times you make plans and then you come online and you see so many news, like, you're just like, what now? Like, what are you going to do? I've actually not been feeling motivated to film any video because my views has been dropping drastically. Like, it's just, I don't even know how I feel about that. That shit, I'm sorry, that really pissed me off. It's like, most times I do get 2,000 views in a day. Like, no, in 48 hours. So it dropped from 2,000 to 1,500. I was complaining, and then I, you know, spoke with some people and they're like, oh, be more consistent and which I did, and the views went from 1,500 to 1,000 48 hours, and now it's at 500. When it got to 500, I literally had to delete my YouTube app, my YouTube studio, TubeBuddy. I had to delete those things because there was this night I couldn't sleep. I was just thinking about a lot of things. I wanted to delete my channel. I'm not even joking. So I called my friend. I was just complaining, and he was like, you know what, maybe you need a break. Maybe you don't even need to post anything. Just take a break and, you know, think about other things aside YouTube. And I was like, you know what, okay. So I deleted my YouTube app, and then I deleted the YouTube studio, I deleted the TubeBuddy. I wasn't watching anything. So if I'm subscribed to you and I usually leave a comment and you've not been seeing my comments, just know that it's been a whole lot of struggle. And then aside that, you know, aside even deleting my YouTube, I was like, okay, let me be more active on other social media platforms. And then I went on Twitter. I started seeing videos, police brutality. Like, it was just too much with the shooting at Lekki Toge. Like, I was losing my mind. Honestly, like, guys, I was legit losing my mind. I was feeling all sort of, I was literally depressed. Like, in Nigeria, my god, I've been here for a while and it's really hard. Life is expensive. For you to even get like the basic things that you need, you have to pay a whole lot. Do you get, like, it wasn't just working for me. It was not working for me, honestly. But after my break, I did take, you know, some weeks off. After my break, I downloaded YouTube back, and I was thinking, okay, maybe I need to, you know, re-strategize. You know, maybe I need to work on the kind of content I put out. So, which brings me to the next part of this video, which is, like, well, it's actually the same thing because this is a live update. So after my break, I've actually been thinking of opening another channel, because guys, most times people approach me or people reach out to me and go like, oh, how did you buy subscribers? That is really frustrating. Like, what are they doing? I've complained to, you know, I've led my complaint to YouTube community. I'm like, maybe they are not really notifying my subscribers that I post. Maybe my page is on, you know, I don't know. Like, I've thought of so many things. I have 5,000 subscribers, guys. I can't even get 100 views for a content I post 3 months ago. Why am I having subscribers? I don't need it. Like, to me personally, actually, like, I'm sorry, but this is just how I feel, honestly. I don't know. This is how I feel, because how can someone approach me and ask me, how did I buy subscribers? Why wouldn't they ask me how I bought subscribers? When if you come to my channel, you see my video of 2 months ago, I have 50 views. Why do I have 5k subscribers? That has just been my question, because this brought me to the point where I'm like, you know what, maybe I should just create a new channel. I've actually created a new channel. Not like I've been thinking maybe I should create a new channel and then just try, you know, growing that channel and just dump this one, because this channel is frustrating me. I can't even hide it anymore. Like, it is legit frustrating me. So I did create another channel which I will be posting my content on, but the difference will be I'll be posting my food videos on that channel, and then maybe once a while I'll post content on this channel. But the other channel is going to be just for my food videos, and I'm actually thinking maybe I'll just, you know, take some of my food videos here and then make some new ones and just be posting on that channel. So when you go to that channel, you know, like, it's just solely for food and, you know, recipes, because I enjoy cooking a lot. Though I've not been cooking for a while, I've actually not been cooking for a long time, because I've not really been settled. Like, I like my own space regardless. I like to have my own kitchen. Like, that's just how I feel, because when I have my own kitchen, like, there are things I want in my kitchen, there are some kind of meals I want to make, you know. I just like my own space. I mean, yeah, I'm sorry guys, I'm really emotional about my channel, because like, I put in so much work. If you know how much stress I have to go through just to make one content. Sometimes I want to film something and then they'll take the light. I can't film with generator because of the noise, so I have to wait for them to, you know, restore electricity. That, like, mentally, that is so frustrating. That's just what has been going on. My views really did make me feel so sad, because like, I'm just like, I get it. Like, I've been on YouTube since 2016. I did take a 2 years break, which I was like, you know what, maybe that's why my channel wasn't growing. I'll just try my best to grow my second channel, which, like I said, I'll be posting food videos on there. I don't even know how to explain it again. Like, I don't know how to explain it. I don't know why I'm laughing. I actually woke up today and I feel really good today. I feel much better. I'm not going to stress myself too much. Obviously, I'm going to still keep on working hard like I normally do, but in the meantime, I just feel like I needed to, like, explain to the people that genuinely care about me, that watch my content, at least the 50 people that watch my content. That's just what has been going on. And yeah, anyways, I really appreciate everybody that subscribed to my channel. I'm really grateful. That's it, guys. We've come to the end of this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. I will definitely notify you guys when I post something on my new channel. Until then, stay blessed and stay beautiful.